Hey traders, hope you are having a wonderful Friday. We had some fantastic moves on gold today. I'll cover those in the next few minutes. I just want to clarify parabolic trends just so that you can be aware of what they look like. If you don't have the advanced pro charts, you're missing out big time, and I'm going to cover that in the next few minutes. So the parabolic trends are when all the buyers come in and all the buyers are there above the SAR. And you can use a 20 SMA as well if you like on the left, doesn't really matter, but everything green, and you've got a big fat buy signal on this is US dollar index, by the way. So that's a parabolic trend, and everything's green, and you have an entry price, you have a profit price, you have a target price, you have a target price. That's how the advanced pro charts work. So let's go back to gold just to see what is going on. So let's do this first of all. Actually, let's go back to this bit here. So what happened here, we had a sell-off at the open, and let's see if I can get the chart up. This was the chart here on the right here. You can see this doesn't look like much, but it's about 100 and something pips down to 26.66, which was support. We can see that here, a bit clearer here on a 15-minute chart. So it bounced off there as I was doing it live, so hopefully it was into the YouTube channel. If you're not, don't worry, it was recorded and sent into the VIP room. So we had a lovely move there. Don't know what that was. Don't count pips, just count money. 100 pips, and then we had a lovely move. Oh, there it was. Sorry, there it was, not back there. So this was the move, and closed it, hit two targets, and then we had a breakout from this FEG. So the FEG is very important fair value gap. So this is going to act as support, and so about 26.80 is going to be the bounce. Whether you want to trade it over the weekend is totally up to you. It's now just gone 4 p.m. here in the UK, so we've got 4 or 5 hours left. But I've had enough. I've made over 200 pips today, so happy days. Now let me just go to the 5-minute chart, see what's going on there. So yeah, there's the sell-off, and there's the support line for the 26.80. So very good confluence area, and probably an outside bar as well at that time. So keep an eye on that if you want to, or just wait for Monday. I'll be waiting for Monday. So, right, get ready. Get ready. The weekly Forex forecast is going to be done on Sunday, and it's going to be fantastic. There's going to be some fantastic moves, and I'll give you a clue to some of those today. Actually, the DXY entry price 109, target 111, 113, and 115. Let's go. The yen futures, we have an entry price at 63.81. We have a stop loss here at 65.09. Target, no target on that one, 62.50, 61.26, and then 59.98. So what this means, if that is the case and it stays parabolic to the downside, not quite parabolic, you can see the buys here on the left. Not quite right, but nonetheless we've got an entry price here, so that indicates that the price may well continue into next week. And what happens then if it does continue down, then all the yens are going to be a buy. All right, so don't get sucked into the yens yet, because there's going to be a lot of stopping out going on. A beautiful move on the Swiss franc as well. This is continuation down. If you're trading the yen futures, great, well done. Heading for first target 108.47, 106.25, and then on to 104.02. So what this means in terms of correlation, this means that the Swiss franc futures goes down, and then all the Swiss pairs go up. So look out for that. They probably won't be ready today. Now, the open positions, the entry points, targets are only open when the markets are right. In other words, there's breaker structure. We're not seeing breaker structure on the S&P 500. So it is parabolic to the downside. All the sellers are in, but it doesn't have a breakout, and that's what we're looking for. So that's not tradable. This is tradable. We've got an entry price here on the FTSE 100, 8230.94, target 83.95, and then moving on to 85.60, and then on to 87.24. That looks good, and looks like it wants to continue on the left, so going up to that area in next week or two. Hang Seng to the downside. Do we have an open position? We don't have any open positions or targets, so we'll ignore that one. Aussie 200 index. Yes, this looking nice, pulling back now, but I think there's going to be a rally. Entry price 82.03, stop 80.39. Hope you're taking notes here, guys. I'll be following up on these on Sunday, of course. Once the markets have closed, we'll get better positions. Profit target 83.67.26, 85.31.33, 86.95. These are Fibonacci extensions automatically given on the Advanced Pro charts. I've now transferred this magic system over from the gold on steroids to the Advanced Pro charts. DAX, German DAX index pulling back now, obviously, but I think this is going up further. 2139, 205.42, 209.45, 221.34. I'm only looking at parabolic trends, by the way. Okay, continuation of the silver onto commodities, and as we can see, we have a target 1 and 2 has been taken out. Target 3 at $31.18. Fresh, oh no, it's not fresh anymore, is it? 75.82, 75.82. Yeah, it's about right, isn't it? 75.82, 76.44. So yeah, it looks like this is looking nice. Stop loss on oil 74.92, 77.98, 79.51, and then on to $81.04. First profit taken on gold, congratulations, 26.86. We had 3 targets this morning on the lower time frame, so we do expect the price to go up to 2739.41, 2792.09, and that's the final target. So that's the one to aim for, the full extension of the fib extension. Euro dollar to the downside. I think there's going to be some kind of pullback here. Oh no, we don't. We have a position. There we go. So you can sell this now if you wish. I want to wait till Monday. So 105.11 is your stop. Entry price 103.039. Enter at any stage. Profit 100.95. Profit 298.90. And profit 3 is down right down there, 96.90. Sterling looking very weak. I think there's going to be a pullback over Monday, Tuesday, bit of divergence here, so I think we'll be looking to rebound this one. So something like this up to here, and then a pullback, and you'll still have the same targets. What happens is, guys, is that once the profits have been taken, all 3 targets are taken out, then it starts afresh. This whole system starts again, and so you won't see this anymore once the prices have all been and the targets have been hit and you've banked all your profits. Okay, US Swiss are looking very nice indeed. Buy it now if you wish. Stop loss at 89.33. Target 193. Target 2 94.80. Target 3 96.63. I'm only interested in parabolic trends, the most strongest trends there are in the market. Don't forget. Now this one's got a very wide stop. Let's do yeah, not interested in that. Yeah, the stop's too wide. This indicates there's going to be a pullback. Entry point was back here on the pound Canadian. So it's hit the first target, heading for second target. Aussie New Zealand is looking good. Actually a fresh entry price of have a look at that. Yeah, this stop is too wide apart. We can go off the swing low, can't we, quite easily. First target is there. Squeeze up a bit so we can go third target 11726. Euro Swiss entry price. It's taken, automatically takes it from the previous swing low, which is the extreme of the price. No trader. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So there was a position here at the early stage of the change of character and a buy signal on the left on the Canadian Swiss, but too late now. Pound Swiss, no indications. Oh yes, there is fresh trade. The other thing you can do, of course, is just do that as your guide, and your third target is right down there, 633 pips. So you could take that now if you wish. Nice, fantastic, 4.91 risk to reward. Another one, Swiss yen. Now I did mention the Swiss, didn't I? If the yen futures starts to go down and continue down, then the yens will start all to go up. So just be aware of that. Let's wait for Monday for this one. This is the pound yen. Another thing you can do is go down to the hourly and see what's going on there. So you can see that the hourly gives you a nice, really tight entry there with fantastic risk to reward. Well, that's it for today. Congratulations on the moves on gold. Looks like it's not doing much now. It's drifting down to 2680 for another move higher. Have a wonderful weekend and look out for the weekly Forex forecast.